We begin tonight with a story about a lawsuit filed against a former jailer in Nueces County accused of assaulting a jail inmate 3 years ago.
A federal judge giving the victim in this case a big win. Our Brian Burns has the update in tonight's top story.
Well, Rudy, a federal court has given a clearance to sue determination for a former Nueces County jail inmate who was hospitalized after being beaten allegedly by a former jail guard. The former inmate is suing the individual guard and Nueces County. We talked to attorney Chris Gale, who is representing the inmate.
We should be at least in the perspective of trying to resolve things, short of going to a jury. When you go into a jury, just like I did today, somebody's going to win and somebody's going to lose, and that's how it is. So the part of the reasoning or the logic is that we should try to avoid those things, especially when there can be a reasonable resolution.
The lawsuit against the county and the jailer alleges that in July of 2019, inmate Adan De Leon was assaulted by Nueces County jail guard Bobby Joe Benavides. The county is being sued for being aware of the assault and acknowledging it only after it was determined the beating had been recorded on video and that there was an attempt to delete the video.
Most of the time, you're going to be dealing with issues concerning the use of force within the jail. It's like failure to provide medical care, which is kind of it seems like a typically arising set of facts from the Nueces County Jail.
The suit claims that the guard punched the inmate more than 20 times, resulting in the inmate being hospitalized for over 3 weeks. In this interview, shortly after De Leon was released from the hospital, he showed our Rudy Trevino his injuries. He was treated for an eye socket fracture, a nose fracture, 2 fractured ribs, and several cracked discs in his neck. Bobby Joe Benavides, who according to the lawsuit was known around the jail as the Punisher, was fired last year just before being convicted of assault, tampering with evidence, and official oppression. Now, last week, county commissioners considered settlement demands for this and another inmate in a similar lawsuit, but said they voted unanimously to reject those demands. Commissioners did vote to continue negotiations. Leslie, Rudy?
All right, Brian, thank you.
Start